We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at this 8.5 by 32 foot flat nose enclosed trailer. This does have your extended tongue with jack coupler and safety chains. This does have flat nose with your ATP along the front, the corners. This does have your side vents with the silver screwed exterior. This is a triple axle trailer. It comes with 3 Greaseable 7K axles. They're all 16-inch wheels and tires. This does have your plywood flooring and walls. Here we have the passenger entry door. There's also a light switch. Just gonna work your dome lights. This does have the spring assisted rear loading ramp. Has your D-rings built in. There's 2 in the front and 2 in the rear. Passenger entry door does have your bar lock. Once again, this is our 8.5 by 32 foot flat nose enclosed trailer. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.